Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, today the new building arrives, but I still got some more prep work to do. It's going to come on a big pallet and probably some other stuff too. So I want to set some big boards over there to set the pallet on so that it's a little bit higher off the ground, and also so it doesn't kill all the grass underneath. Don't expect it to be there that long, but it's always good to plan ahead. Got a lot of use out of these 4x6s. When we moved that little red barn over there, I bolted them to the side so I could lift it up and haul it, just to brace the sides. It was in terrible shape. But I've since gone through and replaced the framing and rebuilt it. And the only thing left to do is make a new door for it, but it's going to be gone long before that happens. 30 right now. So when he gets here, I'm going to have to readjust how these boards are sitting. But I want to have them about 6 feet away from the wall because I'm going to use scaffolding to set the paneling up. And I want to have this pretty much set in a fixed spot. I'm going to have him bring the material down the driveway here, set it on these risers, which I'll flip up so they're 6 inches high. That way I got more room underneath them. Also, it makes it so I don't have to bend over so far to get things off the pallet. Now, it's supposed to be a steel pallet, and we all know how I love steel pallets. So when I'm done getting everything off the pallet, I will probably turn that into building material. But I'm extremely excited to have this thing coming today. I'm extremely excited to have the building coming today, so I'm just going to have to wait until 3 o'clock and sit here wondering what's it going to look like. I know, I've seen the pictures, I know what it's supposed to look like, but you never know. Anyways, I've got a great project lined up, and it's going to be a long-term deal, hopefully many, many years of improving and changing and modifying and just building in my building. Now I'm going to video the whole unloading process so you get to see that too. You can leave that right on top there, it won't hurt a thing.
Sure.
Yep, you can leave it stacked like that.
You gotta get the trim underneath.
That's all right. I can move the light stuff. That door doesn't weigh diddly.
The door, but the metal does.
Okay, I'll let you move it.
Yeah, I figured you'd be cussing me once you got to.
Well, it'd be my mistake, so.
That metal. You're happy with me now.
I've never seen a forklift like this.
Spacers to push this crate back.
Oh, that bottom one's the light part, isn't it?
So you know about returning the trim crate?
What's that?
You know about returning this trim crate and this pallet here?
I have to return those?
Well, they charge you probably 150-ish a piece.
So I can call them, they'll come get it.
I think it's on you to return it.
Okay. Thanks for letting me know. They're charging me for the pallet. When I get the stuff off those pallets, they want the pallets back. But I got no way to get them there. And they don't come get them. They'll hang out the back. Yeah. Yeah. That's everything? Thank you very much. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.